our channel. My name is Tracy and I'm the keeper of the home here at 4D Farms, where we are all about faith, family, home, and farm, and in that order. And we're kind of like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna get. So y'all just come on in, grab a seat, take a look, and have a listen, because you don't want to miss a thing. Hey y'all, welcome to today's video. Tonight's meal is brought to y'all by none other than that dear hubby of mine. I'm going to try to talk y'all through this as best as I can, y'all, because he caught me videoing him and y'all know him, but after much persuasion, y'all, he let me continue to do it. So I'm going to try to talk you through this, okay? He is making a rack of ribs tonight and a side dish from a recipe that he got from one of his co-workers, and they were so gracious to share it with us. So he is getting the ribs prepared tonight, y'all. And in what you see him doing right now is getting all of his seasonings pre-mixed. You're going to need a lot. Okay, now y'all, he is showing me and explaining to me how to remove that tough little silver skin on the back side of the ribs, y'all. And once you remove that, y'all, there's nothing like biting into that, y'all, because it's not really appealing. So he's teaching me how to do this at the same time, and that's when he catches me. So then I'm like, please, 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 just go on. You don't have to say a word, just let me continue. And he agreed, y'all. He took off that tough little silver skin on the back and was teaching me how to do it. Now, he let me get a little closer to him, y'all, and let me film. Bless his little heart. And he is teaching me how to baste this baby with mayonnaise. Y'all, you can even baste meats like briskets and roasts with mustard. But on ribs, we found out you can use mayonnaise, y'all. There's just something about the mayonnaise that tenderizes the meat, y'all, just like mustard does briskets for smoking. Okay, now all those seasonings that he mixed up, y'all, he's just heavily coating the back side. Then he's gonna flip it over and coat the other side. Now he also coated the other side with mayonnaise too, and then put the seasonings on top. Now y'all, you're gonna put this in a preheated oven of 230 degrees, and you're gonna slow roast this for 3 hours uncovered first. Okay, so he's all right. Now, y'all, it's been 3 hours later. We took a nappy and changed into some comfy clothes. So 3 hours later, he took it out, melted some butter, poured that all on top, y'all. Now he's going to put brown sugar on top and just coat that really good. Y'all, these seasonings and then the brown sugar just makes sweet and savory. Y'all, there's no need for even barbecue sauce. This turned out wonderful. Okay, now in just a minute, y'all, he is going to wrap that up really tight like a burrito to seal in all of the steam, y'all. And he's going to put this back in the oven and cook for another 2 hours on still 230 degrees. Then after the 2 hours, y'all, he's going to remove it from the oven, and then he's going to he's going to bump up the temperature on the oven to get ready to cook the side dish, okay? And then I'll walk you through making this side dish. So he's fixing to put this back in the oven for 2 hours, okay? And then let's see if it's been 2 hours later or... Okay, it's still in there. About the last 20 minutes of the baking time on the ribs, he is getting it's called a 3-bean casserole, y'all. He's getting it ready and prepared to go in the oven. Okay, so right now he is chopping up an onion. Get you a big aluminum roasting pan, y'all, because this is going to be a big dish. Okay, so get you like maybe the 9x13 or maybe the next size up aluminum casserole pan, y'all, roasting pan. All right, you're going to chop up a whole onion and throw it in the bottom of that roasting pan. You are going to fry 3 to 4 pieces of bacon, and then lay it out after it fries. Lay it out on a paper towel to let it be draining the grease. Okay, now you're going to brown 1 pound of hamburger meat, and he's either went ahead and put the bacon in there, or he's doing that in a minute. I'll have to see. I'm trying to keep up with him, y'all. Let's see, because I'm having to do a voiceover on this, y'all. So as the meat is browning, he's kind of stirring in everything. I think he's already added the onion. Nope, there comes the bacon. He's chopping up the bacon now. Oh, I know what he did, y'all. I know what he did. Okay, to that big roasting pan, y'all, he added 1 can of drained lima beans, 1 can of drained kidney beans, and 1 can of pork and beans. And he just dumped all that in that roasting pan. Okay, and then he chopped up the bacon and threw that in there. Okay, now he's got the meat all browned and he drained it. He put that in the roasting pan, and now he's mixing all that up. So now we're getting ready to put the sauce. Y'all, I'm sorry, the clips are going faster than I can talk. Imagine that. Okay, now he's getting ready to put the sauce in there. Okay, the sauce consists of 3/4 cups brown sugar. He's putting that in there right now. Now see, this one time, he's slower, I'm faster. Okay, so I'll let him catch up now. Oh. All right, so he put that in there. Y'all, I was just so glad to just be sitting on the couch tonight and letting him do the cooking and the cleaning and enjoying somebody else's cooking for a change. Okay, so now he's fixing to add 1 cup ketchup. We use the sugar-free, y'all. All right, now he's adding a 1/2 teaspoon salt. It's just kind of hard to keep up with the clips because they go so fast. Okay, now he's adding 2 tablespoons vinegar. Apple cider vinegar. You see the color of it. Apple cider vinegar. And then he's going to do 1 tablespoon mustard. Now, when the ribs get done, he's going to stir all that together. Okay, when the ribs get done, he's going to take those out, bump up the temperature to 350 degrees on the oven, and he's going to put this roasting pan in there. And he's going to bake that for 40 minutes on 350 degrees. Yep, see, he did the switcheroony. Well, he's fixing to. He took out the ribs. Okay, now he's bumped up. He was waiting on the oven to come to 350 degrees. Now it reached 350. Now he put that in there and he baked it for 40 minutes. Y'all, then we paired it with a side of coleslaw. Y'all look and see how tender these things are. And he just took that little rib out just like that, as pretty as you please. Y'all, this meal came together so wonderfully. It was mouth-watering, finger-licking good, y'all. And then, y'all, he even cleaned up after he got done cooking. Marry y'all a man like that. Y'all, I hope y'all have enjoyed this video, and I hope y'all give this recipe a try. Y'all bear with me on that voiceover. So y'all enjoy your meal.